Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I came with a jackpot share named CDSL, which is from the services space and from the same space of share market itself. So the full form of the company is Central Depository Services Limited. So let us look what is the business they are doing. If we buy a share, it is held by either CDSL or NSDL. They hold our shares. If we buy our share, they will hold it, and if we want to sell the share, they will debit that share from our account and credit it to the person who buy that share. For that purpose, they are charging a small amount for this purpose. When we buy or sell our share, a percentage of profit will go to CDSL. This is the main business of the company. This is the main income of the company. But this is a very good income because in this lockdown period itself, more than 4 lakhs account is open in the CDSL. It's a very interesting thing. So in future, all this benefit will come in the future result of the company. In the last June quarter result, they have shown a very good profit. They have shown 46 crores instead of 27 crores in last year of the same period. So it is very interesting to see that. And the promoters of the company is Bombay Stock Exchange. They are holding 20% of the share in the CDSL. And when compared to NSDL, CDSL is very advanced. So now people are interested to hold their share in CDSL rather than NSDL. And moreover, CDSL is a listed company. It is the only listed company in this space. NSDL is not listed in this space. So only chances for us to buy CDSL. It's a very good chance to accumulate the share. The year high of the company is 514 rupees and low is 180 rupees. Now the share is trading at 420, 430 levels. So I strongly believe that the share will reach 1500 rupees. Then the face value of the company is 10 rupee, book value is 73. The only drawback is P ratio is very high. But in some cases, there is no need to look P ratio. Some share will value in high P always. When it goes to 1500 rupees, it will be more than 75 rupee P ratio when compared to industrial P of 36 rupees. In some cases, we can avoid such a P valuation because there is a good potential for the company to grow in future because everything is in electronic form, everything is demat form. So and every people is investing in the share market day by day. So CDSL is a very good bet. So I recommend everyone to buy this share only for a long term purpose. If you decide to buy CDSL, you buy CDSL you keep the CDSL as a separate portfolio. Whenever you get profit from other share, you put that excess amount you received as profit to buy CDSL. If you get any other extra amount, you also buy the CDSL share again and again. And if you get 20-30% appreciation in CDSL, you sell it and wait for that share to come down. You don't buy any other share with that money and wait for that share to come down and accumulate that share. So I definitely will reach 1500 rupees. I strongly recommend you to buy this share at this rate. Another important thing about the company is its market capitalization. It had a market capitalization of 4,659 crores. That means now it is a mid-cap company, and I strongly believe that it will become a large-cap company in no time. So now, if we can able to buy this share, it is a mid-cap company. Within 1 year, we can hold a large cap company. I am sure that this company will become a large cap company. It's a very important, interesting factor regarding this company. Okay. Now I like to share some news regarding one recommendation that I had given earlier, 2-3 weeks back, I had recommended everyone to buy Sriram Transport Finance Company. From my recommended level, I recommend it at 705 rupees. It go to 792 rupees 2 weeks back. So if even book profit, no problem. If still anyone is holding the share, they will be sitting in a loss because it comes down to 640 levels. It is a mere speculation. So many news are coming this year. This is the cheapest share available in the market now. So many news are coming, fundraising plans are there, but everything is not come to the share market because it is a real speculative activities. Speculators are trying, operators are trying to the retail investor to exit that share in this level. Please don't exit that share, hold tight. I have get the news that the employees of the companies are accumulating this share. That means something news is coming into the market. So it is a very good share. Whatever happen, even if it go down to 500 rupees to hold this share, if you can able to buy more share, you can buy that share. Okay. As usual, I am saying that you please consult your own financial advisor before buying the shares recommended by me. I am sure that all of you is benefited from my recommendation. Every share recommended is appreciated a lot, except one share Manappuram Finance. All other share you have to hold all the shares, even Manappuram Finance for a profit in future. So please like, share and subscribe my video.